Good morning, class 8. Welcome all of you in this math period. Coordinate geometry. I have already started coordinate geometry and I have given the introduction of coordinate geometry, and I have also explained a few terms which are necessary to understand the questions, problems of this chapter, this exercise. First formula, a few formula we have, and one here I would like to remind you, area of triangle. This exercise has been deleted. So area of triangle we have to forget. Now you see distance formula. Suppose 2 points A and B. Suppose A and B are 2 points. And what is the distance between these 2 points? So for points A and B, coordinates of A x1 y1 and coordinates of B x2 y2. So AB, distance between these 2 points will be x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. I have explained how can you derive this formula, but now in the problems you have to directly use the formula and you will find the solution. So I would like to explain a few questions, few solutions. Question number 1 of first. Find the distance between the 2 points whose coordinates are 2, 3 and 4, 1. So suppose these two are 2 points P, coordinates 2, 3, and this is a Q, and coordinates of this point is 4, 1. Now this is x1, y1 and this is x2, y2. If you want to compare with the formula, it is not necessary, but this is these are x1, y1 and these are x2, y2. These may be also x1, y1, x2, y2. So now difference between these. So what is the PQ? So PQ is equal to formula you will write x2 minus x1, and suppose if you suppose this is x2, so this minus this 4 minus 2 whole square plus y2 minus y1 1 minus 3 whole square. Understand? So this will be 2 4 minus 2 2 square, and this will be minus 2 whole square. So this will be 4 and this will be also 4. And this will be root 8. And simplest will be 2 root 2. And there is no definite units. So we can write units. So this is the solution of question 1. You have to find the distance between 2 points whose coordinates are 2, 3 and 4, 1. If you have any doubt कि suppose सर इसको यदि हम x2 y2 इसको उल्टा यदि हम करेंगे तो देखिए उसको कैसे सॉल्यूशन तो ही आएगा. PQ is equal to, now suppose this is x2 y2 x1 y1. 2 minus 4, here we have done 4 minus 2. So 2 minus 4 whole square, and this will be 3 minus 1 whole square. And minus 2 whole square, this will be 2 whole square. And this will be 4, this will be 4. आप पूछ सकते हैं कि सर why we have getting the same result if we are interchanging the coordinates? Because 4 minus 2 or 2 minus 4, this is different. 4 minus 2, 2 and 2 minus 4, minus 2. But if you want to square of these two numbers, the result will be same. 4 minus 2 whole square, 2 square 4 and minus का भी स्क्वायर करेंगे तो इसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. So this is the distance formula, question number 1. Now you see question number 2. 2 you see, so only simplification may be difficult, but method is same. Now suppose light points, points नाम नहीं दिया तो आप सपोज कर लीजिए कुछ भी. लाइट पॉइंट्स आर, इसका कोऑर्डिनेट है -5 7 and S another point coordinate -1 3. Now you have to find RS. So this minus this or this minus this. So x2 minus x1 -1 minus 5 whole square. x2 minus x1 square plus 3 minus 7 whole square. So this will be -1 plus 5 whole square and this will be -4 whole square and this will be 4 whole square and this will be -4 whole square. This will be 16 and plus 16. 16 to 32 and if you find the simplest part you will get 4 root 2. This is the solution. So in distance formula you will be given points, 2 points and you use this formula. Now you see question number 3. As I told you, there may be some difficulty in the solving the problem, but method is same, formula is same. Now suppose this is the point, light points, हम नाम नहीं दिया तो नाम दे सकते हैं. लाइट पॉइंट्स A, coordinates AB and point B, coordinate -A minus B. Now AB is equal to same formula, x2 minus x1 whole square, this minus this or this minus this. This will become -A whole square plus -B whole square. This will be -2A whole square and this will be -2B whole square. And this will be 4A square plus 4B square. Now you see, you cannot cancel the root and the square root because we have the sign positive in the middle. So you can take the common 4 and you can write square plus B. So 4 का square root निकाल सकते हैं, that will be 2 and this will be inside the bracket A square because we cannot find the square root of A square plus B square. A plus B whole square होता है तो उसको निकालते हैं. इस तरह से उसको हम निकालते हैं. और एक क्वेश्चन और I would like to solve you. Find the points. Find the point. Question number 3. They are collinear or non-collinear. Points are points P. Suppose 1 5 2 2 3 and R -2 -1. For the points, if they are collinear, so the sum of the distance AB plus BC should be equal to AC. And second हो सकते हैं AC plus BC. ये पॉइंट्स हम यदि हम चेंज कर लें पॉइंट्स को तो AC plus BC is equal to AB. And third possibility is AB plus AC is equal to suppose BC. इसका मतलब तीनों का डिस्टेंस हम निकालेंगे, पहले निकालते हैं पी क्यू इज इक्वल टू दिस माइनस दिस और दिस माइनस दिस, 2 minus 1 whole square and this will be 3 minus 5 whole square, 1 square, and this will be 1 square 1 minus 2 square 4 under root 5. Now you find QR. Here is equal to minus 2 minus 4 like this, plus minus 11 minus 3 whole square, this will be minus 4 whole square, and this will be minus 14 whole square, and this will be 16 plus 196. Now you are working the solution 212, and 212 we can find the simplest form like this, 106 253. ये इसमें से 1 निकल जाएगा, 28553 units. And now you find PR. PR is equal to minus 2 minus 1 whole square plus minus 11 minus 5 whole square minus 1 whole square 1 minus 16 or square 256 257 under root. Now you see, तो आप देख रहे हैं कि we are getting the distance between points PQ, root 5, QR, we are getting 2 root 53, and PR we are getting. इसका मतलब हम देख रहे हैं कि the sum of any two sides is not equal to the third side. Therefore, we can say they are not collinear, non-collinear. They are non-collinear. So, if you have collinear points, if the points lie in a straight line, if the points such that if you join them and if you get a straight line, so we can say points are collinear. And just suppose if the points are in such way that if you join all these points and if you are not getting a straight line, suppose these 3 are the points and if you join them, you are not getting a straight line. Therefore, these points are called non-collinear points. So, my dear students, in College Geometry, Chapter 1, Exercise 7.1, you have to use the distance formula. Distance formula, I have already told you, that the distance between the 2 points, if coordinates are given, if the coordinates are given, we can find the distance between these 2 points by that formula, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square under root. Simplification may be difficult, but you should learn how to simplify it. But formula and basic, all these things are nearly same. So don't worry about the questions. So, and in this particular question number 3, you have to show that points given, 3 points are given, coordinates are given. You have to show whether these points are collinear or non-collinear. For this, you find the distance between these 3 points, PQ, QR and PR. And you will remember this. If the sum of distances of 2 points is equal to the third point, that means the points are collinear, otherwise not. In this question, we are finding the distance of these 3 points, root 5, 2 root 53, 2 root 57, and if possible you can simplify, but we don't see here they are equal. They are equal. Root 5, this and this, not equal to this. If you add these two, you will get this And if you find the sum of these two, you will know like this. This means in this question, so you will remember this point. To prove the points are collinear, if the distance between 2 points is equal to the distance between other 2 points, then this will be collinear, otherwise not. So that's all for current geometry, and you will try to solve. And if you have any doubt, you can contact me. And I would like to remind you will try to completing your copies. And I have given you 1 week time. So within 1 week time, you complete the copy and you can contact me, and I am ready to solve your question. Thank you. And